African Wonders, exploring the top 12 attractions across the continent. In this series, we will delve into the top 12 things that African countries are known for in the World Series. Today, let's begin our journey through the East African country of Kenya, a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and incredible wildlife. Here are the top 12 things Kenya is known for around the world. 1. Masai Mara National Reserve. First up, the Masai Mara National Reserve, famous for the awe-inspiring Great Migration. 2. Mount Kenya. Next, Mount Kenya, the second highest peak in Africa, is perfect for trekking enthusiasts. 3. The Great Rift Valley. Discover the Great Rift Valley, with its stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife. 4. Lake Nakuru. Don't miss Lake Nakuru, home to thousands of flamingos and many other bird species. 5. Maasai culture. Immerse yourself in the vibrant Maasai culture, known for its rich traditions and colorful attire. 6. Diani Beach. Relax at Diani Beach, with its pristine white sands and clear turquoise waters. 7. Nairobi National Park. Experience Nairobi National Park, a unique wildlife haven right in the capital city. 8. Kenyan coffee. Taste the world-renowned Kenyan coffee, celebrated for its rich flavor and quality. 9. Giraffe Manor. Stay at Giraffe Manor, where you can have breakfast with friendly giraffes. 10. Lamu Island. Explore Lamu Island, known for its historic Swahili architecture and relaxed vibe. 11. Hell's Gate National Park. Visit Hell's Gate National Park, offering stunning scenery and geothermal hot springs. 12. Kenya's Olympic Runners. Celebrate Kenya's legacy of producing world-class long-distance runners. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Kenya's most iconic attractions. If you enjoyed this video series of African Wonders, exploring the top 12 attractions across the continent, don't forget to follow, like, and share for more amazing content in the future.